It's where the president is going to be coming through here any minute now. It's the emergency service police. I don't want to shake this so much.
That was a good move. It's the company you were with. Excellent. We want to play.
You can just see around here. I don't know where he's going to be coming through, but there's people all around trying to get a glimpse. Ooh, excuse me. He just bumped into me, that idiot. So let's see which way he's going to come. I think he's going to go in the back there. But he's got to drive around here somewhere. And it's starting to rain. There's police everywhere. On the sidewalks. As far as the eye can see. Nypd. It's starting to rain. Wonderful. Oh. Let me save some of the filming for later because I don't want these videos to get too long. They're blocking these streets with these big sanitation trucks. Yeah. There's the president's motorcade. No, that's not it. That's just like a... That's the bomb squad.
Yeah. I'm trusted he's not in the police car.
Yeah, he doesn't need a tow truck.
He could be in that SUV. Right?
No, that's the bomb squad unit. That one and that one over there. And see that block square truck over there?
usually motorcycles and cops.
Yeah, you see.
Yeah, you can't miss it.
There's the NYPD helicopter.
Like I said, clapped with the wrong thing.
Now that might be it there.
Nah, by the time he got in here, you'll see all the bike man coming first. Yeah, the bike man gonna come first and then he comes. Technology is great now.
See, he's going in there.
Yep.
There he goes.
He's going in there. He's in the one with the flag, not yet.
Not yet. That's
There he
him
is,
going
right there.
That's it.
President of the United States.
That's him right
No,
there.
it's not.
We'll wait for all of us.
No, it's not. He was in the same car today when he was passing here.
Oh my
It's
God.
not an empty car.
That's not nice. They should have made him come down here.
Not yet. No, he now going there. When he was there earlier on, he didn't stop there. They went straight.
How do you take the picture?
Yep, right there. Yep. No, they passed quickly when they came earlier on. They just swung the corner and just kept going. No. No, you just hear the crowd just cheering and he just kept going. No, it's from that way. When he came earlier on, he passed right in front of him.
You know how much people over
Yeah,
there?
right in front of us here. You can see him play.
See, look.
Yep. See how they still? So when he coming back out, he might go back the same way. See there, you see the person. You see the person. See the person. Coming around again. Who's all those people? That must be the press. Yeah, that's a lot of press going in there now. Yeah, they look nice.
You see that excitement?
He just know he outside. He just want to be outside. So we don't care. So we just want to be outside.
Well, I'm starting my tape now. President Obama is going to be coming out of the ABC studios on West 66th Street and Western Avenue, and the Secret Service and the police are all starting to gear up and move up for the motorcade, the presidential motorcade, which will be coming out of that building any second now. There's the advance team for the New York City Police Department. Here comes the bomb squad that accompanies the presidential motorcade.
Can you imagine one causing so much commotion?
This is the beginning of the motorcade for the President of the United States, Barack Obama. This is the bomb squad that accompanies him while he is in New York City for speeches and fundraisers. Here comes the Secret Service. They're right in the middle of the street.
It's happening, people. It's gonna happen. Look. What do you?
Here we go.
Take your hand.
The first black president ever.
He will. He will.
I
I don't know.
It's a pretty big deal.
I don't know.
It might be.
There goes a presidential motorcycle escort
All of this one.
coming out now. The President of the United States should be here any moment.
We missed him? No. He's in the garbage truck.
Are you the president?
I don't know.
There's the Secret Service.
It's a mystery.
He might be in the car.
Okay, the President should be coming out any minute from way up there. Right now we got all the escorts all the way down there on Amsterdam Avenue, 10th Avenue. Then we have the presidential motorcycle escort.
Well,
And soon the President of the United States, Barack Obama, will be coming through.
you know what? It doesn't look that great. It doesn't look that great in, you know. This is not. It looks just really far on the picture.
Watch your feet.
I mean, it doesn't look that great on. Look, the picture doesn't.
Secret Service.
This is the picture. You know, the lights and stuff. Yeah, well, I did a few close-ups. They're not any better. It's like you don't have the lights on it. Maybe eyes. You know what? Maybe I'll.
New York Highway Patrol motorcycles. Oh my God. Here he comes, the President of the United States, Barack Obama.
Oh,
There's the motorcade. There's the first car. There's the President of the United States. He's either in the first, the second car. Here he is right here. I'm not sure if it's this one right here. No, it's usually the second car. There he goes, the second car, the President of the United States, Barack Obama. Secret Service. He was in the second car. You saw him?
yes.
There's the presidential motorcade. These are all emergency vehicles in case he needs them for something.
Can you imagine you have to coordinate this event? Yes.
The press corps vans. These gray vans are all press corps vans. Secret Service right here. ESU, Emergency Service Unit. Fdny, Ambulance, Fire Department, New York. Highway Patrol. And here's the last car. New York Highway Patrol. Captain. And there it is, ladies and
I
gentlemen.
don't know. Let me see.
Presidential motorcade, and possibly you might get a glimpse of Barack Obama.
No. No. You know what? They were just like zooming by too fast.
That must be some treat down there by Broadway. Anyway, I'm getting out of here. It's all done now. ESU.